Water is getting, as you can see, this is wet. Water is going inside the carpet. So it smells bad. This is what we're gonna do. If you look in here, all the sunroof, they got 4 drains, 1 on each corner. So if the water is going on this side, that means the drain on this side is clogged up. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the water. I'm gonna put the water in here. Whoops. Put the water here. And then, see, the water is not going anywhere. So I'm gonna take a wire. And I'm gonna find the drain. Gotta be somewhere. And there is the drain. Right there. It was clogged up. So I put some more water. Oh yeah. Need a little bit more. Yep. Water is going on. This is underneath that there. That's grease. There we go. Now we just gotta go. Just gotta go here and make sure the water is not coming in. Make sure the water is coming. Yep, it's coming right here where it's supposed to be. So that will fix the problem of getting your carpet wet. It's not coming in here anymore. Easy fix. Just unclog your little drain. See it right there, yep. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Got it.